Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create a mobile app. So, creating a mobile app are several steps. So, if you don't know knowledge about the best mobile application, so click on this I button and watch that video. So, let's discuss this topic. So, number one application you can use for Appy.
If you want to create a mobile app without any kind of coding, so I will go to Google Chrome over here and I will type here Appy, okay, and then I will enter it. You see here, this is my first website, http www.appypie.com. So I will click on this website, okay. You see here, this is your website get open over here. Then after, I will tell about the little bit about the Appy App Store. So this is the app builder platform. So I will escape. Okay, I will escape it all. Okay. So this is the app builder platform and it is based on Italian cloud base and service app creators and designed to provide the users with no coding skills as well as to access the tools and native application in HTML5 and web applications. So here you see there are products. In products you see that Appy design with no code design platform, no code development platform, no code workflow and automation platform. So AI platform are there, AI website builder also there, AI app generator also there. You can also create AI name generator, AI slogan generator, AI title generator, AI quiz makers. Okay, then you see AI UI generator, AI blog post generator, AI descriptor generator, AI avatar generators. All these are you can use in this type of platforms. Okay, so you go here. Here are design, build and automate. So before we going to create your app, so I will tell about little bit things. Why should we create the applications and what are the best for the description about the app development. If you want to create the app, so which kind of ideas you should have to remember in your mind. First of all, number one thing is idea generation. Idea is the best important thing for the best for the kind of applications. Then second is that market research. Then market research is the best for research for the market, understanding the customer preferences and all these kind of needs. So number third my point is planning and wireframing. So planning is must for your design your plan, which kind of outlet you have to design it. So you have to create your first of all the one plan. Then you should create a design, UI UX design. So then you have to create a development. What kind of development of where we can develop this kind of application. So you have to develop your application in Java or Swift. Swift for the iOS and Java is for only for the Android basis or Kotlin also. Okay, so you can create the development for the application development platform you have to build there. Then you have to build the prototyping and testing. You have to testing your applications. Then you have to do the refinements and then you have to do the deployment also. So here next of the one thing is that you have to create a market research also, marketing and launching your product also, where you can launch this kind of products in App Store or Android. You have to create one planning for that also. Then you have to maintain and updates. So you have to maintain and updates for each and every applications. While you can doing the maintain and updates, your application get update in every month. Okay, so you have to launch each and every products for your application base, and this is the best tool for creating your applications from this kind of description basis. Okay, so I will tell you about first create your create your app over here. Okay, you see highly rated website builder, millions of customers all over the world. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of customers, they can create their application from this kind of Appy app stores. Okay, so you see here they give the 4.5 rating up to 5 ratings. Okay, they give 4.6 rating, they give 4.6, here they give 5 ratings, here they give 4.66 ratings of applications. So I will go here, you see here, then customer stories, then contact us, then guides. In guides you can see mobile app development, also you can do mobile app development. They can give the guidelines from your mobile app developments. Then here you see okay, iOS app development, you can also build the iOS app development from here also. Okay, you see iOS, what is the iOS development of tools, you see here, they can give the iOS, they can give the information from here also, where what is the iOS development tool, so you see here, they can give the information from here also. Okay, then you see here, okay, then you see here, I will go back and then again, okay, good. Okay, then you see push notification, you can also get notification from after building the applications. Then you see here Android app, then app design, how you can create the app designing. So you can see over here, you can design your application also, and you can also create from here. Okay, and last but not least, so you can create here grids in app purchases. Okay, you can also purchase the apps. After completing you can sell your app in Android or iOS also. Okay, so here is our WhatsApp number, you can also contact to them and join also from them. You can also build the application platform from them. Okay, so you see here, generate image and videos and build apps and website and automate workflows in appify.ai and powered by no code platform. You cannot get any kind of coding from here. So it is the best applications for a creating a mobile applications. Okay, so I will tell you about, okay, you see the most flexible no code and deployment and platform. Okay, you cannot get any kind of code in this kind of platforms. Okay, no code appify design is anyone from creating and standing up designs. You see here, like that designs you can create in your application also. Okay, then you can no code workflow and automation platform with unlimited possibilities. It is very easy to build your own platform from appify. Okay, then no code and business process automation software that your business needs. According to your business need, you can build this kind of software also. Okay, frequent lags, what kind of frequent lags you can also see from frequent lags questions over here. So we go to our main topic, we can build a we can create your applications. You can create the mobile apps and website without code. So I will go to create your app. Okay, after that I will type my business name over here. You can change it later also. Okay, so I will change it later also for my business name. I will type my business name skill courses. This is my business name. Pick the color scheme you like it. Okay, what kind of color scheme if you want to create the app, there is a one color scheme, you can also you see the light color schemes. Okay, join 10 millions of plus other businesses. Which platform do you best in? Select which device you test your app on. Suppose I want to test the application in Android, so I will click on Android. Suppose you want to create the test your application in your iOS, so you can click on iOS. Okay, so I will test this kind of application in Samsung, OnePlus, Motorola, Google Pixels and all Google Play Store supported devices. So this application is based we supports to Samsung, OnePlus, Motorola, Google Pixels and all of Google Play Store supported devices. But here you see iPhone, iPad and Apple Store supported devices. Okay, I will click on this. Okay, to test your app on your Android device must be create the account first. Okay, I want to create the account first of all over here, save and continue. Okay, I will sign in Google, my Google account over here. So I will start for a free trial now. Okay, I don't have to buy for any kind of basic plan, so I will start for a free trial for now. Okay, so it is only for 7 days for a free. You should here you see here you have to select a payment details. So you have to type your name, full name, and then you have to start for a free trial over here. Okay, after you start for a free trial, then your web page they get open like this. So I will type here, I want to create a education application. Okay, then I will go to create. Now over here you see here, wait a minute, your application get create over here, adding suitable features and as well as content and images. So your application will get open like this. You see here, it is first of all home page and create pages. Suppose you want to create a page, you can create pages from here also, customize pages also. Okay, then you see here your application get open like this. Okay, you can take that thought also over here. You can write your thoughts or images, you can add the photo up here. Then you can here save and continue option are there. So after you save and continue, your application will get ready within the minutes. Okay, or you can also add a certain features after the save and continue options. Okay, so you can go here and you see here your application will get show like this. Okay, so you can create or you can changes whatever you want. So right now I don't want any kind of changes over here. So after you continue, then our mobile application will be created over here. So and then after you can save and continue option. After you save and continue, your app will get developed over here. Okay, like that you can create your mobile application over
So
here.
if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.